Bulgarian past, to be, I was.
Бях.
Welcome. Hey you, welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly language sidekick. For guides, drills, and freebies, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll lock in the Bulgarian past tense of to be, with laughs, mini beats, and quick wins, so you can say things like, it was great.
Беше страхотно.
Ready? Let's time travel to yesterday. Forms at a glance. Repeat after me. I'll say English, then you echo the Bulgarian. I was.
Бях.
You were, singular.
Ти беше.
He was.
Той беше.
She was.
Тя беше.
It was.
Беше.
We were.
Ние бяхме.
You were, plural, formal.
Вие бяхте.
They were.
Те бяха.
Mini dialogue. Time travel cafe. Listen, smile, and shadow the bold Bulgarian bits. A. Yesterday, I was at home.
Бях вкъщи.
B. Really? You were at the park.
Ти беше в парка.
A. He was late again.
Той беше закъснял.
B. She was calm though.
Тя беше спокойна.
A. It was a weird day.
Беше странен ден.
B. We were there together.
Ние бяхме там заедно.
A. You were awesome, team.
Вие бяхте страхотни.
B. And they were happy.
Те бяха щастливи.
Pronunciation beats. Clap softly on each dash and speak the syllables. Feel the rhythm.
Бях.
B-Y-A-H.
Ти беше.
T-B-E-She.
Той беше.
Toy B-E-She.
Тя беше.
T-Y-A-A-B-She.
Беше.
B-E-She.
Ние бяхме.
Ni B-Y-A-H-K ma.
Вие бяхте.
Vi B-Y-A-H-Te.
Те бяха.
Te B-Y-A-H-Ha. Quick drills. You answer in Bulgarian. I'll give you a pause to think, then the answer. Translate. I was tired. Answer.
Бях уморен.
If you're female.
Уморена.
Closing parenthesis dot. Translate. You, SG, were at home. Answer.
Ти беше вкъщи.
Translate. He was in Sofia. Answer.
Той беше в София.
Translate. She was right. Answer.
Тя беше права.
Translate. It was cold. Answer.
Беше студено.
Translate. We were late. Answer.
Ние бяхме закъснели.
Translate. You, place, were amazing. Answer.
Вие бяхте невероятни.
Translate. They were in the park. Answer.
Те бяха в парка.
Culture tip. Tiny tip to sound natural. For weather and impersonal statements, Bulgarian just says, was, without, it. So, it was sunny, becomes.
Беше слънчево.
Next time you write a diary line like, it was a perfect day, try.
Беше идеален ден.
Lightning quiz. Say the Bulgarian out loud, then check yourself. Q. you were, singular. A.
Ти беше.
Q. We were. A.
Ние бяхме.
Q. They were. A.
Те бяха.
Q. He was. A.
Той беше.
Q. You were, plural, formal. A.
Вие бяхте.
Fun challenge. Make a 5-sentence mini-story about yesterday using all forms. Example scaffold. Yesterday, I was early.
Бях.
You were excited.
Ти беше.
He was there.
Той беше.
We were hungry.
Ние бяхме.
It was fun.
Беше.
You, place, were loud.
Вие бяхте.
They were happy.
Те бяха.
Quote. Record yourself and re-listen to catch rhythm and endings. Wrap up. You crushed it. Quick victory lap. Say them once more.
Бях. Ти беше. Той беше. Тя беше. Беше. Ние бяхме. Вие бяхте. Те бяха.
Thanks for listening with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing, share a smile with your future Bulgarian self, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more podcasts, drills, and freebies.